These numerical miracles in the Quran will blow your mind. The word "this world" is mentioned 115 times in the Quran, and the word "hereafter" also 115 times. The word "heaven" and "hell" are both mentioned 77 times equally. The word "angel" and "devil" are also mentioned 88 times equally. The word "life" and "death" is mentioned 145 times equally, and the word "man" and "woman" are both mentioned 23 times. 23 plus 23 is 46, which is the same number of chromosomes a human has, 23 of which come from your mom and 23 from your dad. The word "month" is mentioned 12 times, and the word "day" is mentioned 365 times. Land is mentioned 13 times, and the sea is mentioned 32 times. 13 to 32 happens to be the ratio of land and sea on earth. How is it that the Quran, which was revealed over a 23-year period with verses being revealed not in order, has this many numerical patterns? This cannot be the work of man. The Quran must be divine.